The Minac is mobile, it's really flexible, and it can be delivered with a twin output. The most common challenges when it comes to mobility is that sometimes it's really difficult to get the workpiece to a workshop. You need to take the equipment out in the factory or to the actual place where you need the energy. So that's where the Minac comes in place, because it is mobile, it is light, and it is easy to move the energy to the workpiece in the facility where it's needed. The Minac is powerful. It is between 6 and 220 kilowatt. It is light. It is between 50 and 80 kilos. It is mobile, and it can heat all type of material as long as it conducts electricity. It can do all kinds of heating application. It is water-cooled. It can be delivered in a single or a twin output. It has a touchscreen. We have kept the physical buttons for the key functions. We can design coils for any application you can think of. We at NRX is really proud of the Minac.